Son Concrete LLC is out here right now to get all these forms set for this driveway and the other driveway on the other side. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Nikos Property Show. I'm super excited because we are getting the concrete driveways poured today, but it's cool. Son Concrete LLC is coming out here. Omar and his crew, very excited for this. We're gonna get everything prepped. I gotta do a little more bobcat work, get some of this gravel actually spread out. They're gonna put the forms down and everything like that. So I am waiting on them to get here so we can get all this done. Can't wait to get this party started, man. This is going to make this duplex look phenomenal. And there's other stuff happening inside the duplex, a lot of progress going around the sides as well, but we're gonna get this thing knocked out while they are, and I'm gonna get it filmed. Son Concrete LLC is out here right now to get all these forms set for this driveway and the other driveway on the other side. So a lot of stuff happening right now. I told y'all there's a lot of progress, and I'll kind of show you around here. They got all the 2x4s that they're gonna be putting on this side, and then over here, of course, as well over there. And what we're gonna do is come straight off the brick. So that is about 18 feet 6 inches all the way across. So they'll come straight down, bring it over here, give it a nice little curve right there. So when you're actually pulling in the driveway, you're not just running over grass or dirt or anything like that. This is gonna be beautiful. We're actually gonna get all this repaved, or it's not even paved, to be honest. This is like gravel. So we'll get some fresh asphalt down on this, make this look beautiful. And then this entire duplex is gonna look amazing. So again, big shout out, Son Concrete LLC right here, 423-584-2784. Call my man Omar if you want some great concrete work done. They're over here getting it done. I'm gonna get this filmed. We're gonna get some progress. Top of the morning to you folks. The first truck has finally arrived. We're gonna do about 25 yards. That's what we calculated at least yesterday. So these driveways are gonna be about 35 feet long. Actually, I think they went about 40 feet long and then 18 feet wide. So you will be able to fit 2 cars on here, and then probably 4 this way, probably 4.5 if you have a smaller car. But the guys are out here working. Son Concrete LLC showed up again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. They are rocking and rolling right now. Lamcon just showed up with the first truck, and we're just gonna get this thing poured, man. I'm really excited. They finally got the sides over here done. All the prep work went really, really well, and this thing is just gonna progress. We're gonna get 2 driveways right here, and then finally we can start making a lot of great progress. So anyways, enough talking from me. I'm gonna get them working. This is exciting. It's bright and early. It's like 7:30. I know my neighbors probably are like, I'm trying to sleep right now, but we gotta get this thing done so we can get up out of here, get it sold, and keep it moving. Already also major progress. They got the entire side over there knocked out. They're working on this side right now. I had to run off and get more mesh because I miscounted how many we actually needed. So I ran off, got 3 more, which I think will be plenty because we had some extra from over there and from when we were actually pouring the porches and everything. But let me show you real quick what's going on. He's got the bull float out right here, getting everything smoothed out. The women that are working are actually getting all the edges nice and smoothed out as well. They got the little hand tool, whatever that's called, they're getting that knocked out, but they're bringing in the mesh right here behind me. Let me show you how this works right here. So they actually lift it up like real slow with the little handle thing. I'm not even sure what that's called, but you lift it up, get some concrete underneath it so that all the mesh is in between the concrete, and this is looking phenomenal. Let me give you a view of this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Let me go to the road real quick, y'all, and just show you what's happening because I'm so excited to be at this point. This is unreal. I mean, literally just 3.5 months ago, we started this. This looked like that property right there. Same exact trees, same exact brush, everything. Once I get all this dirt right here moved around, get all this nice and graded, this is gonna be beautiful. Check this out. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to freaking pull up right here. This is just freaking beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can't wait for this concrete to jump, get it to nice and cure over the next couple of weeks, get people driving in and out, sell this thing. I mean, this is beautiful. I'm excited. Can't wait to get it knocked out, man. Just wanted to give you all an update. They'll be finishing up and then they'll get everything on top of it, get it all smoothed out, get it all done. And man, we're gonna do some dirt work. We're gonna knock this thing out and get this duplex finished completely. So thank you for watching this point. Let me know what you think of this concrete, man, because I know it's looking sexy, but let me get them working. Alrighty, also it's time for a quick update. They completed the other driveway over there. They already cut in the lines for these. They got a few finishing things on this, but we had extra mud, and guess what I needed? I needed a concrete wall for my culvert pipe. So they are knocking this out. They're gonna hand float that right there, get it nice and smooth out. Omar's like, oh yeah, we can knock that out, no problem. Those typically cost like $500 if you get it from a store or whatever, somebody that supplies it. And once they're done with that, I'll be able to start doing dirt work once all this concrete is nice and stabilized and it jumps and I don't start like disrupting it and whatnot. So I'm gonna work around in these areas right here. We gotta finish up with the sod going through here in the middle and on the other side over there. But I'm telling you what, this duplex is coming together. The progress is unreal, y'all. I'm so happy to finally be at this state of the process. But without further ado, man, it's time to get back to work, get them working, and get me working as well. So let me do that. Alrighty, y'all, so check it out. We are officially done with both of the driveways. They look phenomenal. I can't wait to finally drive on them. We're gonna get all of this actually repaved with that asphalt, so I can't wait to get all this done. I mean, this feels so good. Check this out. I mean, just look at this view right here. That is beautiful. I mean, goodness gracious. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this right now. I'm just freaking ecstatic. Son Concrete LLC here in Chattanooga, in Cleveland, Tennessee, man. Give them a call if you need anything done, anything poured. I'm actually gonna get this pile of dirt and the gravel that's right there moved out of the way, get some of the dirt in the middle so we can be prepped for the actual sod that's gonna be coming in, and so that me and Paul can finish this out and we can get this duplex done and sold and off the book. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get to work. Alrighty, y'all, so I wanted to show you everything that got done. We finally got Paul back here from vacation. He took like a 4-week vacation on me. So I got this pipe cut out, but it was wet. Like there's water everywhere, so I couldn't get it the way I wanted to. I'm gonna take the grinder, get it cut once this all dries out. It's been super cold, super icy. Then it snowed, then it rained. You see little cat paws walking on the ice over here. I think they were actually ice skating with their paws. We got the driveways complete. We got all the dirt in the middle on the sides. Everything is nice and graded. We are ready for sod to get delivered, which is coming soon. Can't wait to get that done, get that on camera. Everything looks really darn good. So I'm gonna go through here. Some of the driveways have gotten a little bit dirty, people walking back and forth, but that's okay. We'll get that washed off and everything like that. But this thing is really coming together and it's looking phenomenal. Can't wait to get this thing complete. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms for Nikos Property Show. If you want behind the scenes sneak peek stuff on Instagram or TikTok or whatever it may be, make sure you check out NikosPropertyShow.com. Grab you some merch, and without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.